As you can see, today we are doing a huge jewelry and watches haul. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are doing a huge jewelry and watches haul. If you saw my previous Amazon video, it was my wish list, like whatever I'm buying in the Great Freedom Sale, and there were two watches in my wish list from French Connection, and I got my hands on them. So let's see how these are and if they're actually worth keeping or not. Guys, this is so pretty. So if you're someone who loves Titan Raga and तुमको उस तरह के स्टाइल की watches पसंद है, like very blingy and dainty and just out of the box watches, you would love this one, as this is clearly a dupe of that. Like, look how pretty this is. It comes with these pink stones as its chain, and the even the shape of the dial is so chic. I feel like this is so cool. Genuinely think that this is worth keeping. Like, this is how it looks on my hand. Do we think? Let me know. This one is available at a good discount even now, so you can definitely check this one out. And मुझे जो doubt था ना कि stone quality अच्छा नहीं होगा, like shine नहीं होगा, it does have a really nice shine, like as you can see. Look at this, so pretty. Next watch that we have is actually a dupe of Bulgari, and there's this other brand जो मैं हमेशा नाम भूल जाती हूँ उसका, Kavali, I guess. It's the dupe of their Serpenti watch. How cool, right? I've ordered this in rose gold and silver. This is how it looks. I absolutely love it. I mean, this does look expensive, but we spent only 2 to 3 thousand on this, and this is super chic. I feel absolutely love it. And it fits really nicely, by the way. इसमें दो फोल्ड आ रहे हैं ना, ऐसे तीन फोल्ड वाली भी आती है, बट आई थिंक फ्रेंच कनेक्शन में दो फोल्ड वाली थी. बट डूड, दिस लुक सो कूल. अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि गोल्ड ही मंगवा लेती. एट द एंड क्या होता है मेरे साथ, मेरे को गोल्ड इतना पसंद है ना, लाइक इन मेटल. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे को ये बहुत ही सेक्सी लग रही है, like the shape and the look of it. I'm just gonna get the color exchanged because the fit and all is also good, and काफी सही discount पे, like इसका MRP है almost 16K, and we're getting like such a good deal on it. Absolutely love and recommend this one if you are again into such watches. Now this one is not at all dainty, it's quite bold, I think, and such a statement making accessory piece. Like, you don't need to accessorize much once you have it on your hand, so we love it. Also guys, there is some construction going on in this area. There's always construction going on. जहाँ भी मैं रहने आती हूँ मुझे लगता है construction ही चल रही होती है.
और जब मैं देखने आ रही होती हूँ ना घर, तब ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा होता, बट जैसे ही उनको पता लगता है, ओह शी इज हियर. खैर,
Let's see. Next we have a lot of jewelry, so let's get into it. Like, मैं अभी तुम लोग के सामने इसको खोल रही हूँ. Oh, this is something super trendy. I feel like I saw something like this on my Instagram, but we found it on Amazon. वाह, बहुत अच्छी डील में मुझे ये स्टैक मिला है. By the way, these are two bracelets and then two open-ended kadas. These kadas are not very adjustable. Like, ये plastic है, metal भी नहीं है, but because I have like this, see, this is how it looks. मुझे लग रहा है अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे हाथ पे ये stack बहुत, and I am definitely keeping it. Look how chic and pretty this looks. I love them. It looks so cool. Dude, love it. Everything is of course linked in the description, you guys. देख लेना जाके. But ये तो यार मेरे को बहुत ही ऐसा मस्त classy chic लग रहा है, especially with like maxi dresses, and if you have like a very basic outfit on, तो उसके साथ just to amp up your look, this is so cool. Ooh, we have more kadas. Of these are again open-ended, and these are not adjustable because these are like बच गया because these are like प्लास्टिक और रेजन, लेट्स सी ये मेरे को आ रहा है कि नहीं, ये मेरे को साइड से निकल जाएगा। सो इफ यू लाइक अ थिक रिस्ट यू कैन गो फॉर इट, बट लग तो बहुत कूल रहा है ये, देखना जरा। गाइस रख लेने चाहिए क्या मुझे, और डू यू थिंक कि गिर जाएंगे? फिर गिर तो नहीं रहे बट बहुत कूल नहीं लग रहे? What do we think? Like, should we keep it or should I return it? Like, what should we do? This is how much I paid for it. So, do we think that it's worth keeping it? Okay, next I've ordered more bangles. Why am I not surprised? आजकल मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, पता है, ऐसे मेरे फीड में एक्चुअली बहुत रील्स आ रही है और शॉर्ट्स आ रहे हैं बैंगल्स से रिलेटेड, तो मुझे लगता है मेरे शॉपिंग में भी वही सजेशन थे ना। वी हैव 3 gold बैंगल्स हियर, लेट्स होप कि मुझे आ जाए पूरी, बिकॉज they are actually metal and they are gonna look so cool for stacking, but see ये मुझे यहाँ आ रहा है। वैसे तो there is a trend to wear like bangles here also. I don't know if I'm like cool enough to pull it off. Too big for my hand, and we have like 2 more, and I do have a lot of gold bangles, so I think I will return this one. But quality and all looks so chic. So if you're someone who has like 2x6 या 2x8 अगर तुम्हारा है ना साइज चूड़ियों का, तो तुम ये ले सकते हो। ये बॉक्स देख के भी मुझे लग ही रहा है कि इसमें भी बैंगल्स ही होंगी। गाइस प्लीज ये बड़ी ना हो मुझे। दीज आर लाइक दोज वेरी शीक ग्लास बैंगल्स जो कि आजकल ट्रेंड में है, एंड आई फाउंड देम इन पिंक। गाइस ये जो लड़की है वो obsessed है pink color से, okay? I am gonna like how cool these are. I think these are raisin bangles, okay? But बड़ी तो है मुझे। मैं पता क्या करूँगी, मेरे पास ना कुछ ओल्ड जो मेरे पास जो मेरे कड़े हैं ना पुराने, जो मुझे ठीक आते हैं, आई थिंक आई कैन पेयर इट विद दैट। आई विल नॉट रिटर्न इट क्योंकि ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं यार बैंगल्स, ठीक है, जो मेरे साइज के हैं। आई जस्ट वांट टू सी इफ इट कैन होल्ड इट। इट आई थिंक कीप इट एंड कीप वन बैंगल ईयर, तो वो जगह पे रहेगा। इसमें भी अब मुझे लग रहा है मैंने बैंगल्स ही मंगवाए हैं। आई डोंट इट्स अ हैंड कप गाइस। I think this is not everybody's cup of tea because it's like a huge handcuff. Saw a look with it, like it looks so chic when you wear it on your full sleeves, like तुमने कुछ नहीं पहना है, I mean accessories में कुछ नहीं पहना है, and like imagine like a full sleeves dress, like a bodycon black dress or white dress maybe, and then you're just wearing this over it, so it kind of looks like a hand armor or something. It just is so cool. Like, hello, who is she? Definitely keeping this. This is so chic and cool. Keeping it looks, इधर से ऐसा लग रहा है ना मैंने ग्लास पकड़ा हुआ हो, like इतना बड़ा है कि पानी के ग्लास के जितना इसका साइज है, but we love it. Next thing, let's see what we have. Okay, I do have this ring and a few dainty pieces here. I was really excited for this ring because it's like anti-tarnish and it's super colorful. Like, wait, I'll show you. And this is adjustable. Look how pretty this is. It has like a pink heart situation and some colorful stones. This is very much inspired, I feel, like the latest Swarovski collection say. And let's see how it looks. So cute. This is how it looks on my hand, and definitely keeping it. It is so cute, has a lot of personality and we love it. One more dainty thing that I got now is this. Like, are these, ouch, these stud earrings. Best part, it's like that wait, that circle thing. Do you see this? It's not like a स्टिक वाला चीज़, बिकॉज जब मैं रात को सोती हूँ ना तो ये मुझे चुभता नहीं है। अब मैं बहुत टाइम से अपने कानों में कुछ नहीं पहनती रेगुलर में, बट I love these and I'm hoping that these are anti-tarnish. लिखा है उसमें that these are hypoallergenic and suits your skin and everything, but we'll see after use. Like इसका shine and all, like doesn't look cheap at all, but I paid very nice price for it. Next, let's see we have some dainty pieces here, huh? Ooh. Okay, I have a Mangalsutra and there is this brand called MINUTIAE. मैं कभी ये brand pronounce नहीं कर पाती. Like this is the brand, guys. Voice break कर सकते हो word को तो मुझे comment से pronounce करते हैं इसको. Chain है ये, guys. Look how cute this is. Like if you're someone who loves wearing Mangalsutra on daily basis, but you don't want something gaudy and something, and तुम्हें gold भी नहीं पहनना है because you know you travel a lot, commute a lot, or anything, whatever your reason is, go for this super sleek one. Like, look how pretty and dainty this one is. Love it, right? And इस brand में ना बहुत सारे bracelets भी आए मंगलसूत्र bracelets अपने normal necklaces के साथ. It's so cute and adjustable locks है तो but yeah, super pretty. Next, we have this is the bracelet. It's super cute, you guys. Let me wear it quickly and show you how it looks. I think such dainty bracelets look so pretty when you stack them with watches. Wait, see how pretty this is, like so sleek and dainty. And this one is anti-tarnish too because this brand does make everything anti-tarnish. So I am hoping that this one's too. And they're like बहुत ही dainty piece है and even the ring and the bracelet goes really well together. Now I have two more bracelets. Let's stack everything. Oh, this is a chain. I forgot. I thought stone wala bracelet mangwaya, but this is a necklace. And look at this. So pretty. Let's stack it with my all-time necklaces. So pretty. Love it. The stonework is so pretty, I feel, and this goes perfectly. Love it. And thing that we have आज के वीडियो में last है is this super chic bracelet. Now this is not exactly tennis bracelet, but this is so pretty, you guys, and again adjustable. So bracelet, see, this is how it looks. And you can also see, so if you have like wrist disco 2x2 size, I don't go for this. Then I'm also wearing it at the last, and then it's fitting me like this, but I love them together. I think like hand accessories makes you just a little happy, you know. Now you guys, we have this. Let's try this with the bracelets. Look how pretty they look together, and even the ring goes perfectly because this has like a pink stone in it. Dude, I love it. Though you don't need anything to stack with this watch, but I think they still look so chic together. I mean, hello, this is so pretty. Absolutely love it. I think I've hit the jackpot with this stack. Love it.